10 Reasons Why I Became a YouTuber. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I want to share something personal with you, the 10 reasons why I decided to become a YouTuber. It's been an incredible journey, and I think some of these reasons might surprise you. So, let's dive right in. The first reason is creative freedom. YouTube gave me a platform where I can fully express myself and explore my creativity. Whether it's through storytelling, editing, or brainstorming new ideas, it's a space where my imagination can run wild. The second reason is passion for sharing. I've always loved sharing ideas and stories. YouTube lets me reach people from all over the world and share the things I'm passionate about. It's amazing to know my content might brighten someone's day or teach them something new. The third reason is building a community. Another big reason is building a community. I've met so many incredible people who share my interests, and creating this supportive and interactive space has been one of the most rewarding parts of being a YouTuber. The fourth reason is inspiration from others. I've been inspired by so many amazing creators who came before me. Watching their journeys made me think, if they can do it, why can't I? That inspiration gave me the push I needed to start my channel. The fifth reason is personal growth. Being a YouTuber has challenged me to grow in ways I never expected. I've learned video editing, improved my public speaking, and gained so much confidence in myself along the way. The sixth reason is making an impact. One of the things I'm most passionate about is making an impact. Through my videos, I want to inspire, entertain, and help people. Knowing I'm making a difference, no matter how small, keeps me motivated. The seventh reason is chasing dreams. YouTube has always been a dream of mine. It's a chance to do something I love every day and share it with the world. Starting this channel was my way of finally chasing that dream. The eighth reason is documenting my journey. Another reason is that YouTube acts as a kind of digital diary. It's amazing to look back at my older videos and see how far I've come. Each video is like a snapshot of my journey. The ninth reason is career opportunities. I also saw YouTube as an opportunity to turn my passion into a career. From sponsorships to collaborations, the platform has opened up so many doors for me. The 10th reason is it's fun. And finally, it's just plain fun. I genuinely enjoy every part of the process, from filming to editing to reading your comments. It's something that brings me so much joy. And there you have it. Those are the 10 reasons why I became a YouTuber. It's been such an exciting journey, and I'm so grateful to have you all here with me. Let me know in the comments what drives you to follow your passions. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.